Yo, what's up? I'm currently working on a super dope creative shoot using some fake clouds. So I decided I'm gonna show y'all the build process behind it and how to make the clouds extremely cheap. This already pretty cheap to make them, but I think this way is a little more ghetto is not the word. It's a more creative approach and super cheap, and it's pretty dope. So hope you guys like this. I'm gonna show some of the photos at the end too. They're being used for a magazine submission, so this should be a super dope process. You can kind of see the setup behind me. Oh yeah, looks pretty dope. Let's get this on the roll and show y'all what's going on. Alright. So to start, you need polyfill. You can get this at Michael's, Walmart carries it, and Hobby Lobby if you have one of those in your city. Yeah, pretty cheap. Got this for like $6. It was a bigger bag, but this is a small chunk. And then styrofoam. This is just from an old box that I had laying around. And hot glue gun. Got this from Hobby Lobby too. Got this for like $6. Pretty dope. So really you just put hot glue all over here in this area and then stick on a piece of the cloud. So, I'll show you. Do it like that. Get it all over. Make sure you're doing it in efficient time though, because this stuff low key dries super fast. Alright. Press it on. Press it on. Press it on. Okay. That's one piece. So now you're gonna need to put a hole through the box for the styrofoam. Use a little screwdriver. Plug the hole right through. Right through. Just like that. Make sure it's wide enough. And then get some string. Once you got your string like this, take it. Yikes. Okay. Make sure the path through is clear though. So be able to see through it. See through this a little bit. There you go, you can see through it. And take the string, fold it like this over the tip of the screwdriver. Yeah, like so, and push it through. Yep, perfect. Now you got the string through. Take it, make you a little knot. Boom, knot. Now we're gonna got our little knot, so it's gonna hang like that. Now that we got our little knot, we're gonna do the same method of hot gluing all over and stick it on the polyfill. Voila. Mini cloud. Yeah. Let it to my next girl.